The winds have changed. Autumn is finally here, which can mean only one thing: it's time for boots. Now, following my last project, I've been left with an abundance of felt and a brand new love affair with needle felting. So when I fetched my well-loved Ugg boots from their summer hibernation, I was a little dismayed to see that they'd fallen victim of my crafting chaos. Although only worn inside with the odd trip to the bin or shed, and still snug and cosy, they are a little stained here and there. Even a quick wash couldn't bring them back to their pre-stained glory. But then a spark of an idea came. What if I could give them a new lease of life? Suddenly I had visions of elven boots wrapped in woodland leaves and forest magic. So I got to work. First I covered the boots in rich green wool, stabbing away until everything but the heel was blanketed in a foresty green. The heel was a bit too tough for needle felting, so I made myself a little felt template, needle felted the wool onto that, and thought to glue it onto the boot instead. Originally, I only planned to add a brown toe cap and heel. But you know how projects have a mind of their own. Before I knew it, the heel had transformed into a tiny trunk. And once I'd gone down that path, there was no stopping me. I began cascading woolen leaves down each boot until they looked like little walking forests. To finish, I added roots curling around the bottom with a few threads of embroidery stabbed for extra texture. After a good steam with my iron, there was a problem. The wool was soft and delicate, and I worried it wouldn't last. That's when I remembered a bottle of fabric medium I'd tucked away years ago, practically a vintage find from the back of my cupboard. I diluted it, soaked the boots. And left them to dry. The wool was sealed beautifully in place. Of course, no elven boots are complete without their leaves. I needle felted some Lorien leaves onto laser cut craft felt, attached them at the tops, and at last my cosy woodland boots were ready. to say I love them. Warm, woolly and whimsical. The perfect companion for autumn and winter days. What do you think? Would you wear elven boots? Let me know in the comments what magical projects you're working on this season. Thank you so much for spending some cosy crafting time with me today. And if you like more woodland inspired makes, don't forget to subscribe. There's always something new growing here at Shire Meadow Studio. Bye bye.